I keep meeting teams whose inspection model aced the lab. Then it scrapped good parts all shift. I built this demo to show why that is not a model problem. The parts are real photographs from a public industrial benchmark. My gate sits between the vision model and the PLC reject actuator. It decides exactly one thing. Is this verdict safe to act on? Then the shift changes. Cold dies. Bay lights. Every input walks out of the distribution the model was validated on, and no model at any accuracy is trustworthy out there. So the gate refuses to actuate. 12 good parts held for review, not scrapped. The 2 real defects that arrived under the drift still caught. The measurement stands on a held-out split. Naive path, 12 good parts scrapped. My gate, 0. And the envelope detector scored a perfect 1.0 on a drift family it was never tuned against. And I made the demo grade itself. The sources panel names the stand-ins, the license, the one rule that is nearly inert, a trust layer that oversells itself is a contradiction. I am Ashutosh. I founded Veriprajna to build exactly this kind of layer. The full walkthrough is at veriprajna.com, Building True Intelligence.